Bitcoin is right now breaking out of this gigantic symmetrical triangle, and in this video I'm going to show you guys exactly what this means for the price of Bitcoin. It's absolutely crazy what is currently happening, and we have not seen such a big breakout in the last month or so. So this video is going to be absolutely crazy, so make sure to watch from the beginning all the way till the end, because we have some major things to discuss. But before I do that, please consider liking this video and subscribing to my channel. It really helps me out, and thank you so much for 500 subscribers. It's absolutely freaking crazy. Also, if you want to trade this Bitcoin breakout, then what you right now want to do is you want to go to the first link in the description, because if you right now sign up for a Bybit account using the first link in the description, you can literally get up to $30,000 in deposit bonuses, and that's only with my link. If you don't use my link, you also don't get the crazy deposit bonuses. Bybit has especially got those deposit bonuses from my community, so make sure to check it out. Now guys, that being said, Bitcoin is literally right now, like I said, going absolutely crazy, and we literally just broke out of this symmetrical triangle we've been creating for literally the past 6 days right now. It's quite a big symmetrical triangle, and yeah guys, we are right now going to check what is going to be the target of the symmetrical triangle, because we can easily do that by just doing like this, checking the height of the symmetrical triangle, and literally right now the target of this symmetrical triangle is all the way at $39,700. But that's not all guys, because there is much more information we can get from this symmetrical triangle. Literally right now we can see that 2 hours before this breakout right here, we saw this gigantic candle to the downside, perfectly retesting the support area, taking a lot of liquidity from off that level, and literally right now we are breaking to the upside. However, the question is this going to be an actual breakout with a target of 40k? Because if it is, then we of course still have this gigantic resistance level we have literally right now been testing for more than 2 times already. And if we don't get through this resistance area we are literally facing right freaking now, then that means that we could still get a fake out of the symmetrical triangle, something like this. And that will be absolutely catastrophic for Bitcoin. So right now we want to get a confirmed breakout above 38k, because literally $38,000 is right now gigantic resistance. And if we do not break it, then it's going to be really catastrophic. We are also quite making somewhat of a triple top if we do decide to create this, which is of course a typical bearish pattern. So literally right now everything is being decided in the next couple of hours based on if we can break 38k. And if we break 38k, then of course we are instantly going to get to 45k, because there's no other resistance around between 38k and 45k. We do have a little bit of trading volume right here, but there's no big resistance. And the next area of big resistance is literally all the way at 45k, which in my opinion is literally our next target. If we break 38k right now, then we're most likely going to push through it to around 40k. Then somewhere around this level we are going to get a Bitcoin swap ETF approval, of course, which is also coming up. And then that will immediately send us to 45k, which is our next target. So yeah guys, literally today, within the next 12 hours or so, we are literally going to decide if Bitcoin is going to go to 45k in the next few weeks or not. However, don't be that excited yet, because literally right now this could still be a fake out. If we just simply get back into the symmetrical triangle, that will be catastrophic. And why is this a chance that we are getting a fake out? Well, that's like I already said, we are making some bearish signs as well. Right now we are creating a somewhat of a triple top. We're running into massive resistance, together with literally Bitcoin just forming somewhat of a rounding top as well, especially right here over on the 1 week chart. As you guys can see, this is just a clear rounding top with candles that are just getting less and less exponential, as you guys can see, which is of course not a bullish sign at all. Together as with us literally right now creating over 6 green candles in a row, which is literally has never ever happened for Bitcoin before. And if you don't believe me, if we right now literally go into the Bitcoin USD chart, just like this, and we take the index, and you can literally right now see that we are creating 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, the 6th green candle in a row, which has literally never ever happened before. We can see right here, we have never ever gotten 6 green candles in a row without after that being at least 1 red candle, meaning that right now there is a massive chance that this candle is going to close somewhat in the red, because literally it has just never ever happened more than 5 green candles in a row. We are literally creating 6 right now, which has never ever happened. Then together with that, we are literally still creating a CME gap. Today, of course yesterday it was weekend as well, which means we created somewhat of a CME gap. It's quite a small one. However, right now we filled it up quite a bit, but not completely, meaning that we still have a small CME gap laying right here. Together with another CME gap laying at 34k, which is literally also where our massive area of support is going to be if we do decide to not break this gigantic resistance level, which is around this level right here. Plus we have another one all the way at around $30,000, which I think is also going to get filled up if we do not break this massive resistance. Because if we don't break this massive resistance, then our literal next area of support is all the way going to be at 31k, and I wouldn't be surprised if we do decide to get there in the next couple of weeks if we do not break, if we do not get a good breakout of this massive symmetrical triangle. So literally the second I'm filming this right now, we are creating somewhat of a green, of a red candle. However, that can either be a gigantic retest just like this, or it could send us back into the symmetrical triangle, breaking us down, which, like I already said like 10 times right now, is catastrophic. So literally right now what is happening for Bitcoin is extremely important, and we'll keep you up to date if anything crazy happens. You can definitely trade this over on Bybit using my link, so you can claim some free money in order to trade with. Go check it out, guys. That being said, I would really appreciate it if you could like this video, subscribe to my channel, and literally I will tell you guys if anything happens on Bitcoin for Bitcoin. So make sure to turn on post notifications so you don't miss any video. And that being said, I hope I will see you in the next YouTube crypto video.